Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn or guide you through the process to unlock the selection in your Microsoft Word. So if you're also wondering how to do so, you may basically head over and follow up these steps for that, and then you should be able to do so. So what you can do is you can basically search for Word and open up the file location of Word. You can right click on Word once you find it up and select the option of open file location and select it. And that should open up the file location here. Once you find it here, once again, go ahead and right click on it and go to the option of open the file location. And again, this piece opens up. Now from this piece right here, what you can do is in the top section right here, go to Microsoft Office. And under Microsoft Office, you may go to this option right here called Office 16 and open it up. And under here, you'll be finding this right here called OSPB arm.exe file right here. So you need to find this .exe file. And once you find it up, right click on it. And all you gotta do is select this option of running it as an administrator. So select it and give the permission. After you do so, hit enter. And when you get back to your Microsoft Word, you will be finding you able to select anything on your screen. And that is it. And that's it. This is one of the easiest and simplest method you can unlock selection in Microsoft. You would just go ahead and try it out and let us know in the comment if this worked for you. So do not forget to give this video a like if this video was helpful, and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.